what to eat tonight. Man, I don't know. Hey girls, what you guys want to eat?
Cheesy corn dogs.
Cheesy corn dogs. Oh, you know what, man? I got this, man. Let's go make some. So we got our ingredients here. We got the hot dogs, and then we got the cheddar. That's a mild cheddar, what I'm using. Then we got Swiss cheese. What we want to do is get these things wrapped up, put them in the freezer for 20 minutes, and then we'll bring them back out, put them in the batter, and put those things in the fryer. So we want to wrap these things around. I got the Swiss cheese, put it on that skewer like so. Line them up, and then you're ready to go. So we're gonna do this a couple more times. Put that thing in the freezer for 20 minutes, bring it back out, put it in the batter, and it's gonna be ready to go. All right, so we got our dry ingredients here. We got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We got 2/3 cups of cornmeal. We got 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Then we're gonna throw it in there with a tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then to make it a little bit sweet, we're gonna throw it with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it up nice and good. You're gonna see flakes of pepper and paprika. That thing is smelling good, straight bussin'. So get that whisk action in there. Make sure you whisk that thing real good, nice and good. So again, you're gonna see those flakes get all in there, that mixture. See, look at that right there. That's what I'm talking about. Now we got a 1.5 cups of milk with 2 eggs, and we're gonna put that in there together, and then we're gonna get that in there, whisk that thing up real good. Put in that dry ingredients, then that's when the magic happens. Once you got that milk and eggs in there, you just whisk that thing and wait till you get that nice consistency that you need. All right, so we got that consistency that we wanted with the 3 cups of flour that we added, and you can see right here that it's gonna wrap around that corn dog real good, or that dog real good. And then we throw that thing in the fryer. We're gonna put it on for 350, and again, that's what you want. You want that nice thick consistency. So when you put that thing in there, it's gonna stick to it, and we're good to go. 3 cups of flour is what you want to go with. You want that thick consistency. So if you have a little, if it's thin, just add a little bit more flour so you can get that thick consistency where you want it to be. So you want it thick just like that. All right, so we got the consistency that we wanted with the batter. So now we're just gonna pour this thing into a glass, and then we'll dump those dogs in there. So you want to get something that's gonna be tall enough to dunk the whole dog in there so you can get it coated, and this glass will do the trick. So we'll fill this thing up, and then we'll get the dunk in those dogs, and we'll dump them in the fryer, get them ready to go. So what I'm gonna do with the fryer also, I'm gonna go ahead and put my pan down, so when I dunk it, and again, it's not gonna mess with my batter. It'll just float in there, and then I can bring that thing back up, and it's not gonna mess with it. So the heat's not ready just yet. We're gonna wait till that thing gets to 350. But again, get you a glass like so, and then you gonna dump those dogs in there. Then when that heat's ready, you're gonna put them in that fryer, ready to go. All right, we got that heat ready to go, so we're gonna go ahead and dump these dogs. I'm gonna start off with the Swiss ones, because again, I like Swiss, man. This baby Swiss, this thing was in the freezer for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and dump that thing, get it coated real good, give it a little twirl, Bring that thing back up. Top it off. Then put that thing down in the fryer. So I'm gonna let it whisk a little bit so that batter doesn't get stuck on that drain. And then I just let it sit. We'll see how that thing comes out. I'm gonna do 2. For them boys to get ready, golden brown. All right, let's see what we got. That was about 5-7 minutes there, and you can see that nice and golden brown. What we're gonna do is let that thing rest on the cooling rack, and then we're gonna put some more in. That's the Swiss sauce that we got. Yeah, nice and golden brown. And we're gonna bring, look at that, look at that. And then we're gonna put those other cheddar dogs in there and see how them bad boys taste. All right, so we got those bad boys fried, and we got a little bit more to go, but I just want you to see exactly how those things come out the oven. And that's nice and golden brown right there. I'm gonna put that on that cooling rack so it can rest and get that nice rest in there and that flavor. But I got something that was already made, as you can see right here. Nice little corn dog. I'm gonna go ahead and take a taste test of it. I like barbecue sauce with my corn dogs. I don't know about you. You probably like ketchup and mustard. This thing smells good. I'm gonna take a taste test of it, see how it goes. Guys, that's good. Look at that cheese in there. You can see that cheese in there, and you got that yummy corn dog. So, cheesy corn dog, easy recipe. Again, look in the description for that recipe. Tell me what you think. We'll see you guys later. Peace.